What's going on, everyone? This video brings us to the Kensington section of Philadelphia. We're gonna do a little ride along here. That's right, you just go right through the red light. For those who don't know, Kensington, Philadelphia is a very high drug area and crime. We aren't intending to stay down here, but this is where we ended up. Passing Kensington and Westmoreland. Yes, I know the light had turned red. I see that. Like I said, we're not intending to stay around here. Bad area. You'll see other channels. They will do videos of this. They purposely come here and do videos. That's not us. 7-Eleven here. Honestly, don't know how this 7-Eleven stays in business. Wonder how many times they've been robbed. Because we have 7-Elevens getting hit up in Northeast Philly. Can't even imagine how many times they're getting hit down here. Junk and debris? Yeah, it's everywhere. Yes, that person is sleeping on the sidewalk. Probably passed out. Got a bunch of pigeons up here, all right? Somewhere around here there is supposedly chickens that just randomly showed up. Not sure what intersection the chickens are at. Don't know what's going on with that guy. Shopping cart. We saw him a few minutes ago before doing the video. We took our rider down this way. Passing Little Lions Bar, fine food, drinks. So if I saw a nail salon correctly, it said it does nails, it does teeth cleaning, and something else. Really? Was I reading it wrong? I'm pretty sure it said it also does teeth cleaning. Okay. Coming up on Kensington and Castro Ave, and we are turning off at Castro Ave. Oh, we got another guy pushing a shopping cart up here on the left. Pretty sure you can see it in the corner of the video. Above us is the Frankfurt Elevated Line. Market Frankfurt L. Starts in Frankfurt, goes all the way out to 69th Street Terminal. I actually stopped at the yellow light. That's a surprise. Where'd the shopping cart man go? Oh, there they are. There he is. You probably couldn't see him again because it was blocked by cars. Go, clown car. Going up on Castor and Luzerne. Anyone want pizza? Pizza shop has pizza. Hey, pizza shop, do you serve pizza? I mean, just basic name, pizza shop. Not like Joe's Pizza, Tony's Pizza, Tom's Pizza. Nope, just pizza shop. But they spell S-H-O-P-P-E. And now we're coming into the Julianna Park section of the city. About to pass what used to be a CVS on the right. Looks like they have closed down. I remember when that was a CVS. Wonder what's going to come in its place. And I do think that CVS, they got robbed quite a few times. That might be one of the reasons why they closed. I'm sure there's other reasons, but that's probably one of the big reasons. Just crime. Grade A tends to stay in the crime neighborhoods. I've noticed multiple occasions CVS pulls out. Although this is not as crime-ridden as Kensington around here. Yes, there is crime in Julianna, but nothing like Kensington. Same thing with drug use. Nothing like Kensington. Coming up here on a circle. I think this is called Wyoming Ave Circle. I don't actually know. Honestly, I don't know the name of the circle. There's probably a proper name for it. And I don't think it's Wyoming Ave Circle. Coming up on Orthodox Street. It's green, we can all go now. And we are still on Castor Ave. We will take this over towards Oxford Circle. We're on kind of like the northern fringe of Frankfurt now. Not quite in Frankfurt, actually, though. Feltonville's not far away. And some of these houses back in the day, they were pretty well kept. And there were a few famous people that lived in some of these houses. There's two ways we could have gone here. We could have gone right on Castor. Could go left. We are going to go left this go around. Probably should have stayed on Castor though. Really old cemetery on the left. There are some really old stones in there, dating back to the late 1700s, I believe. I stand corrected. It says established in 1869. Okay, so it doesn't go. I always thought that went back to the late 1700s. Still, 1869. You're talking like almost over 150 years ago. So, I mean, that's a long time. $152 years to be exact. Yeah, long time. Another cemetery on the left. Don't know if it's affiliated with the same one or not. Might be. And we actually do not want to be in this lane. Should actually go that way. We can stay in this lane. It'll work out. We can just easily make a right turn right here. We are now at the Roosevelt Boulevard and Adams, and also now at Summerdale on the Boulevard. If you recall a previous video that we did, we went in the other lane, there was a person going on the wrong side of the road about a month ago. Hopefully we don't see that today. There we go. Going on Summerdale Avenue. That guy was on the wrong side of the road. Okay. It's like they're putting in a big warehouse here of some sort. Still don't know what it is. Every time we come through here. Being done by A&E Construction. I will eventually find out what that's going to be. It's a warehouse for someone, that's for sure. Coming up on Summerdale and Bridge. And we are going to end this video pretty soon. So you got to see Kensington today. At least some of it anyhow. We didn't go off on the side streets. Kind of wanted to get out of there at the moment. And now we are back in Northeast Philadelphia. In the Oxford Circle section of the city. Alrighty, we are going to end this video here. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. That helps me out in growing the channel. And if you want to see more content like this, remember to hit that notification bell. Apparently that's how it'll notify you when a new video has been uploaded. We try and do multiple videos a day. And, wherever we end up. And who knows where that's going to be next. We'll be doing more videos later in the day. We have to get down to the airport later on. So it'll be a Northeast Philly ride along at some point in the day. It'll probably be, I record this about a day before, sometimes 2 days before. So you'll see this within the coming days. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. See you next time.